Cops been here all day. Motherfuckers be booming in. Let's see somebody booming in.
You ready to forget some tools?
Not today, baby. It's a Subaru.
Bro, I'm not gonna hold you. Exhaust are bread, bro.
No, you fucking spent way more than that on your chopped up fucking shit.
Like, if I could go back in time, I would have just bought an exhaust, but...
You just need the X-Pipe. You don't even need an exhaust.
Course of Performance double X-Pipe. $1,008. Fuck!
We're gonna have to modify this because I don't have air tools.
You have a hammer, you have your ratchet, you have the drill, you have the sockets, you have the wrench, you have the rags, you have the batteries, you have the light, you have anything possible.
Nope, I think that's it.
It is 7:38.
Bro, I drained all the oil out. Why is there so much oil? Perfect way to start the day. That one was full rebuilt. This one was just dipped and clean. The seals were good and everything. See what was wrong with this motor, Papa? Oh no, dude. This bullshit is why that other motor was $1,000 difference. This one's got all new everything. That's not what you want.
That is a perfectly healthy engine with no failures whatsoever.
Nothing. Bro, there's like an inch of fuck you on there.
He's cleaning out the cylinder walls.
No, never. Never hit the cylinder wall ever with anything. I've seen guys take this shit and they go, la, 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 like, look at this. Like, bro, it's polished already. It's good. You don't gotta fucking worry about that ever. I feel like you're only videoing for catastrophic failure. Bro, you know what's gonna happen, right? This bag, which is sealed, is gonna be one bolt short. This is what keeps it from fucking doing all the popping. What is that? Oh! Now you got me terrified about to open that big bird about to be like, what up? Yo, you heard that?
Shakaka supposedly locked in a race for Saturday night. I may have to scrape together some money.
I will bet this entire fucking job on that race.
In the fucking 30 seconds I wasn't recording, I got promoted to holding the pot for Saturday's race.
I'm throwing at least 500.
Whatever you throw in the pot, I'm
500, 500. That's
so we throw in 1,000.
1,000 together. We got F80.
We got an M4.
An M4.
Shit's two-door. This is the end of the night.
Now we just gotta fucking put it in tomorrow.
Stock M4 versus stock Mustang. He's spanking Shakaka.
Bro, if it's a stage 2 turbos on that fucking thing, I would never bet against the M from a roll.
Nah, that's what I'm saying.
Who's driving it?
I'm just gonna end the video here. We're peacing out because we're about to discuss some sensitive
Fucking
topics.
Angry.
Yes.
Sensitive angriness.
The next day.
Should only be like 3.5 hours.
5.
If everything goes catastrophically, if it takes me 5 hours to put a Subaru motor in, things went catastrophically wrong.
Right now it is 7:08. I have a feeling we're not gonna be done till like 1 a.m.
Start the clock. No! Don't start the clock till I start working.
7:52.
No! Can't believe I had this fucking unit over a year now.
Since yesterday,
Yes, moving on.
nothing really changed.
Damn it! I wanted to get RTV to redo his fucking gasket. Don't have any. Yes!
At the O'Reilly's.
The O'Reilly's. Alright, let's go get some stuff. Yes, it is.
There's no spindle issue. What is the spindle?
You have to find out about the rear spindles.
Never been mention of a spindle with any of these fucks that I watched today doing 15-inch
I'm saying you gotta
conversions.
just make sure you're not hitting where the upper control arm connects. You gotta send me the list of the parts.
I'm gonna need new axles, bro. If it catches with bead locks,
That's why I say we might as well fucking burn up the one you got.
I'm gonna get one semi-good launch, and then my trans is shit in the bed, my drive shaft shit in the bed, my diff is shit in the bed, my axles are shit in the bed, and then I'm gonna be fucking broke again.
Might get a little bit Coolante. Damn Subaru drain pans always get suctioned in there. You might get the torch. O-rings are still good too.
We're getting Ed laid tonight.
I will go right now and pick her up with you. We will go get her right now. Fuck this motor. This shit can wait till tomorrow. We can just slide. We can just slide right now. When we come back, we got all night to finish this. Gotta flip back over. No, bro, no. No purpose flag, baby. Bro, we're gonna look back at these videos and be like, wow, all the bullshit we did in this fucking unit.
Every time you do some shit in here, it makes me think of that Iron Man scene when he's like, Tony Stark did this. Tony was able to build this in a cave!
Fucking, you gotta put that in a fucking...
What would you like to order? You
Man.
can also ask about our specials.
They have specials at Domino's. Pizza, woman.
Here's a list of popular deals. 2 or more large, 2-topping pizzas.
What is
this? Bro.
Bacon and motherfucking ham pizza.
$9.
Bacon and ham, goddammit. Bacon and ham pizza. What? Medium? Pizza. Large pizza. They put me on hold. Hello?
I added regular hand-tossed medium pizza with bacon and ham. Would you like to add extra cheese to your pizza?
Nah, that ain't what I want. What the fuck was that, dude? Hang up on that motherfucker. We're gonna get a 7-topping pizza. The guy at the fucking pizza shop's gonna go to put the shit on the pizza. He's gonna be like, what the fuck is this? It says ham 6 times.
What crust and size would you like for
Oh
your
my god!
Say that again?
The stuff with the thing.
Thank you for calling Domino's. Para español, presione 1.
Don't do that.
This is Aiden. Please say the reason for your call.
Order
You can say things
a
like check order
pizza.
status, change or cancel my order, general question, or speak to manager.
Did you put manager?
Thanks for calling Domino's Pizzas Norwich. Our daily special is 2 large 2-topping pizzas for $10.99 each. A team member will be right with you.
Oh, I thought that was an actual guy.
Me too.
Ask about our new marble cookie brownie.
Oh, he's still going.
9 orange chocolate pieces of brownie with
That was a big pause.
Thank you for calling Domino's. This be for delivery or carry out.
Oh, yes.
We'll see you in 10 to 15 minutes.
Sweet.
Oh, yeah?
Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, jeez.
Ham, bitch! Ham!
Domino.
We pushing the STI?
Yeah. You know what the beauty of a Subaru is?
Boom.
Get a jack his bitch up. I see belts on a motor.
I didn't record the last hour and a half because it was just screwing shit in.
Oil's already in it. Coolante is going in.
Heater just turned off.
Heater did just turn on.
Ed's light died.
Just kick the key and see if it cranks over.
Yep, jiggle it. Okay, you're neutral.
Oh my god, Flacco, bro, you're so fucking short. Just give it a little flick.
Yeah. Dead battery.
One quick battery charge later.